Meron akong na-receive na question about the two-finger rule sa sunscreen application. Paano daw kung maliit ang face? Baka it's too much. Baka magmukhang bangkay? That's a good question. Actually, ang two-finger rule is just a guide para lang mas madali i-reference sa daily routine mo. Ang talagang measurement na tested sa laboratories is 2 milligrams per square centimeter, roughly around 1/4 teaspoon for the whole face and neck. Pero para maging simple and practical, kaya ginagamit natin ang two-finger rule. Kaya kung maliit ang face mo, i-blend mo na lang ang application. And for the color, pumili ka na lang yung babagay sa skin tone mo para hindi magmukhang makapal. So now, ipapakita ko sa iyo how to use the two-finger rule sa pag-apply ng sunscreen. Bago maglagay ng sunblock, maglagay muna ng serum at moisturizer para mas maganda ang gliding ng sunblock mo at syempre para may nutrients ka na kagad na ipinasok sa skin mo. May I use the Ultra Sculpt Elixir of Evoa and our Intense Moisturizer that will seal in the work of the serum. And to apply the sunblock, gagamit ako ng beauty blender para mas maganda yung blending ng sunblock. Pero pwede naman any regular sponge or even your finger. Just make sure na malinis yung finger para walang papasok na any bacteria sa skin. So let's start. Blend ko lang with the powder right after and to have a little pink in your cheek. I hope this helped. I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath. At kung gusto mo ng siguradong proteksyon at tamang color, formulate your own sunscreen. I have an upcoming training this November 14 and 15. Send me a message so I can give you the details.